The capacity of an operation is the maximum amount of value-adding output per time period that can be sustained under normal operating conditions. Capacity can be measured in many different ways across many different industries. Typically, units of output per unit of time. In an airport, for example, it might be measured in plane departures per hour. In a restaurant, it could be meals served per day. In a drinks factory, it could be bottles filled per minute, whilst in a hospital emergency room, it could be patients treated per hour. Capacity management is about planning and coordinating sufficient productive resources, labour, material, energy, machines, space, etc., to fulfil the demand put upon your business operations. As an operations management activity, capacity management is inextricably linked to forecasting and demand management, and a key input to the long and short-term sales and operations planning business function. Planning to have sufficient capacity needs to happen on many time frames, from perhaps decades into the future if planning a new power station, maybe looking a couple of years ahead to build a new production line, a few months to hire some more people, or a few days ahead if some extra overtime might be required. If capacity requirements are underestimated, which could be the same as underestimating demand, then we stand to miss potential sales or create long delays for angry customers. Whilst overestimating required capacity or demand in a given time period exposes the business to high costs for unused capacity, idle people and machines, for example.